So we have another question which is still under trigonometry, and this one is coming from 2020 paper 2 GCE, and this was question number 9. So question number 9A says the diagram below shows the positions of guava, there where we have G, guava tree, then we have orange tree, which is O, and we also have a lemon tree on a farm. Those are the positions. Then it continues by saying, given that AOG is 10.1 meters, then we have OG is 14.2 meters. Then another question is that and angle OLG is 40 degrees. So this one is 40 degrees. The question is, calculate angle OGL. OGL, we find that angle there. Okay, let us find that angle there, which is angle OGL. Now, how are we going to find that angle? If we are to use the sine rule, it means that in order to find that angle there, we have to say cos, is it sine? No, if you find using cosine rule, we say cos G is equal to, we have the L, small letter L, which is this side, plus small letter O squared minus small letter G squared over 2LO. Now, this small letter G, it is not known. The side is not known. So therefore, we can't use the cosine law. In this case, we are going to try using the sine law. The sine law. The sine law, actually, we need to know at least the corresponding sides. I mean the angle and its opposite side should be known. What are we trying to say? Since we have this, we are going to say small letter L over sine small letter, capital letter L, which is that angle, is equal to, if I say small letter G over sine G, small letter G is not known, and the capital letter G, or the G, the angle we are looking for, is the one we are looking for. So we can't get this. So in this case, I am not going to use the G, but we are going to use O. So we'll say small letter O over sine O. Why? Because small letter O is known, it is 10.1. Then we can now find this angle. What am I trying to say? Once this angle here has been found, once this angle is known, meaning we are going to use now the concept of angles in a triangle. We are going to say, if we add this angle plus this one, then you subtract it from 180, we are going to get the required angle. So this is what we are going to have. So what are we going to do? We are now going to say small letter L, I'll put my work there. Small letter L is, so now what is our small letter L? Our L is this part. For the sake of understanding, this is our L, this is our small letter O, this is our small letter G. So we are going to have, our L is 14.2 over sine 40 is equal to our small letter O, it is 10 0.1 over sine O. So if you cross multiply now there, our interest is to find the angle O. We are going to have 14.2 sine O is equal to 10.1 multiplied by sine 40 degrees. So divided by 14.2, even this other side 14.2. So we have this, then you say sine O is equal to, now what is 14 or 10.1 multiplied by sine 14? Sine 40. 10.1 multiplied by sine 40. 10.1 multiplied by sine 40. What answer do we get? 10.1 multiplied by sine 40. So we are getting this. This is the answer we are getting. So we are having 60.4925 we have 85.7, then we have 83.405. Everybody divided by 4, we have 14.2. So the same answer we get divided by 14.2. So we are having sine 0 is equal to, so we move. If we divide this on top divided by 14.2, the answer we get is 0.045719014 So this is the answer we get. Now, in order to find now angle theta, angle 0, we are going to say angle orange is equal to inverse of sine 0.4571900407282. So we are going to say shift. You put you shift, then you say sine answer. So the answer we get for angle O or angle orange is 27.2 degrees. 27.2 degrees. So that is the answer we are getting for that angle. 27.2 degrees. Now, after you find that answer there, meaning you show it. You show it there by saying 27.2 degrees. Now, this is not the answer we are told to find. So now, after knowing this one, please you show your working. This 5 marks, it is coming from this working we have just shown here. So you show your working. Then now you say 40 degrees plus 27.2 degrees plus OGL is equal to 180 degrees, because if you add all the angles in a triangle, you get 180. I mean, this is the continuation. So we're going to say now, we're going to say OGL is equal to 180 minus, what is 40 plus 27? So it will be 67.2. What is 180 minus 67.2? 180 minus 67.2. 180 minus 67.2. The answer we have for OGL is 112. 112.8. 112.80 degrees. This is the answer, the final answer. then you are awarded with a 5 mark. Having looked at this one, let us now go to the next question. Now, for the sake of explaining the other questions, allow me to show this angle, to show it by saying this is 12.80 degrees. So that is the angle there. Let us go to the next question. The next question is find the area of the triangle. So to find the area, we are going to say the area will be, area is equal to 1/2 multiplied by, we are going to use this angle here because it has got these two other sides. The arms are known. Okay, so it will be, what is that side? It is small letter O multiplied by, what is this side? It is small letter L, then multiplied by sine the angle we got there, which is sine G. So it will be area is equal to 1/2 multiplied by our O is 10.1 multiplied by 14.2 multiplied by sine G, which is 112.8 degrees. If you multiply everything there, then divided by 2, we are getting this answer. We are getting 66.1 meter squared. So the area there, the area is 66.1 meter squared. So the area has been found. Let us now go to the next question, which is the shortest distance. So we have another question, which is the shortest distance from L to OG. We find the shortest distance from L to OG. So to find short distance, we'll still use we'll say H is equal to 2A over B. Which one is our A? It is the area we found. The area which is 66.1. Then what is our B? Our B is the L, the small letter L, which is 14.2. So we'll say H is equal to 2 multiplied by 66.1. Then everybody or everything divided by 14.2. What will be our answer? What will be our answer? So you multiply 2 times 6, then divided by 14.2. The answer we get is 9.31. So this is the shortest distance from L to OG. So you can write therefore the shortest distance from L to OG is 9.31. What is the other question? Solve this equation. So we solve this equation, which is under trigonometry. It is supposed to be solved like this. You divide both sides by 5. So we have cos theta is equal to, this one will be 0.6. I'm sure this is the answer because 3 divided by 5, it will be 0.6. Now, let us now find the reference angle. Remember the previous question, we have first to find the reference angle. The reference angle, it is the inverse of what we have there. What is the inverse? Or cos shift cos inverse of 0.6. The answer we have for the reference angle, it is 53.1. 53.1, that is the reference angle. Now, let us now see where is the range. We have been given that this is O, this is only the sine, tan, and cos. we have been told that the range is from 0 degrees to 180, meaning it is from the first quadrant to the second quadrant. Now, when you look at this one, our cos is positive. Now, in which quadrant? First and second. Is cos positive? Is cos positive in the first? So we first okay, we have identified this is our first and our second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, it is only sign which is positive. So this means that our answer is, we are going to say theta is equal to the reference angle. Why? Because in the first and in the second quadrant, the quadrant where cos is positive, it is only in the first and in the fourth. So how do we find the theta in the first quadrant? It is the same as the reference angle. So therefore theta is equal to 53.1 also. So the theta will also be 53.1. Let's go to question number C. Question number C is simplifying. Question number C is all about simplifying. So this is what we have. So as usual, because there's a division there, we are going to change it into multiplication. So we have this, we'll say multiplied by 40 p squared q to the power 3 over 3m to the power 4 and n. M to the power 4 and n. So what do we do now? We are now going to say 33 into that one there, or into 99, it will go 3 times. So 33 into 33, 1, into there, it goes 3. We have 20 into 21, 20 into 40, it goes 2. What else? We have 2m there. There we are going to remain with it will remain with m squared. What else? We have 2 p's there. We have 2p 1 there. There's 2p1. We have 3q there. We have 1 3q. So our final answer will be 3 multiplied by 2. The answer we have, is that the answer we have is 6. Okay, we are going to have 6. So we are going to have 6 over, if we multiply everything there, we are going to remain with m squared and n. So this is the answer we have for this simplifying or algebraic equation, or algebraic question which is under simplify. So thank you so much. We end here. Our next video, it will still be under trigonometry, but this time around we are going to look at the one which comes with a bearing. The one which comes with a bearing. Thank you so much.